I will be doing a book review on Why Things Bite Back, Technology and the Revenge of Unintended Consequences by Edward Tenner. Now, a little bit about the author. The author is Edward Tenner. He is a historian of technology and he is an independent writer and speaker of his studies. Tenner speaks about technology on TED Talk, which is provided in a link below, and writes for The Atlantic on history and current events. A brief review of the book. In this book, Tenner studies and explains how technology, which is held at such a high standard in the world and its development, has unintended hidden consequences that go overlooked. He says that humanity has always tried to make the way of life easier, but has also made consequences of it greater, with each new technology having its revenge effect, as he puts it. His main themes and points. The overall theme or topic of this book is basically said by Tenner in his caution to us. Revenge effects demand ingenuity and brainpower as technology continues to replace life-threatening problems with slower acting, more persistent ones. The meaning of this is it worth it all to risk the technology advancement for chances of destroying maybe life as a whole or even the health of the people? In his book, he makes a reference to a short story, A Thing About Machines, in which he uses to also prove his point in a figurative way. In this short story, the main character is Finchley, who is angered at appliances for not quote-unquote working properly, and his bad luck is shown when all technology turns against him. In the end of this, the whole point was that technology could have risked to people and life in general. Because at the end of the story, a lawnmower was controlling itself and crashed into where Finchley was buried at, which showed that technology could be working against humans. Overall rating. As a whole, I enjoyed the many points Tenner brings up. It challenges the way people think about technology. For those who are open-minded, questioning whether or not something is truly useful can be a new concept they pick up, or even determining if what is happening right now in technology is worth it.